Did you know that studies have shown that spending just a few hours in a forest can boost your immune system by up to 50%? Now imagine living near a forest. Welcome to my new listing at 2341 Mount View Way in Mosier, Oregon, where the benefits of nature are combined with the luxury of home. This property sits on 5 acres that has had extensive forestry work completed for fire, fuel reductions, and wildlife habitat restorations. This property is home to dozens of resident wild turkeys, young families of deer, and there's even a resident herd of elk that are often spotted on the nearby hillside. This property is also outside of the designated scenic area, and a large portion of the land below the property is managed by Land Trust and the Wildlife Preserve. This means it will likely never be developed. Another benefit to this property is there is a private walking trail off the back side of the house that leads to unobstructed views of Mount Adams. As you can see, this property is super special, but the inside is just as special as the outside. Let's go check it out. Right when you walk into this house, it's impossible not to notice all of the interior and exterior exposed beams, the interior trim package, and the deck awning ceilings that are all custom milled from wood right from the property. The custom island countertop is a single piece of salvaged sequoia tree that was harvested in Portland from a tree that fell down and has been repurposed as the centerpiece of this kitchen. The sage color of the cabinets mixed with the brass decor really give this kitchen a modern but rustic feel. The vaulted ceilings and all of the natural light that blows in from the windows makes you feel like you're living in your own personal treehouse. The open concept of the living space and how it flows from the kitchen to the dining space to the living room, and it flows seamlessly into the 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on one side of the home. This beautiful primary bedroom features its own ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings, and it has access to the expansive deck, giving you privacy and convenience. So if you're ready to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city and combine modern finishes with nature, this just may be the home for you.